There is a technical concept called gross asset value. Now, that concept means that suppose there is an organization, say X, and that organization is suppose the total asset value of that organization is $5 billion, assuming. Now, this organization wanted to grow. Maybe they are investing more money in their existing business, some buyouts they are doing, merger and acquisitions, and so on and so forth. How much they supposed to invest in proportion to the gross asset value so that the turnover or top line of the company moves by 1%. Example, the gross asset value of the company is $5 billion. On the contrary, the top line of the company is just $600 million, assuming all hypothetical numbers. It means on 5 billion of asset value, the company is generating 600 million as a revenue. Now to move revenue by 1%, which means near about I would say 600 million revenue, 1% means 6 million. You need to move an investment of 50 million. It means there is an investment of 50 million required to move the top line by mere 1%. And this 1%, or we are talking, this 1% belongs to the existing business. The existing business of that company. What would if the company is trying to enter into the new industry or maybe launching a very new product and so on and so forth? You know, ladies and gentlemen, every industry of the globe have their own problems and issues. That is the reason this gross asset value, which we are talking, never be same on industry to industry. Industry X would have an average gross asset value, industry Y would have another gross asset value, and things differ. So we must understand that when we listen a word called capex, we first need to listen the capex and then see that this so and so capex by so and so company in so and so country, this linked to gross asset value and how.